right, today is Monday, May 6th. No news today. No news tomorrow. Really no news until Thursday. So maybe a low impacting week. Looking at Dixie, came down into this fair value gap, inverse fair value gap to the T, and moving on up. I do believe this is optical trade entry for a long position in confluence with discount of a fair value gap within a stage one. Although we do have stage one, stage two, some market maker buy. Have a little sell model here. Stage one, run up, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Stage one is here, and I think this might be stage two. Um, let's put this on here though. Yep, so buyers respecting 618. Let's see what we get from today. Maybe if we continue to move up, that will put our indexes, take our indices to the downside. So far, ES is up, probably coming up to this change of state delivery here on the daily or this constant encroachment here. Um, Looking at NASDAQ coming into this daily fair value gap. We have a daily change state of delivery. Do believe that ES may hit constant encroachment this week here. Just as NQ might come to this daily change in state of delivery, then maybe you can see a retracement to the downside. So we do have a lot of liquidity down here in discount, almost relative lows down here. And then, of course, this is where we came from. I don't see this as a market maker model on the 1 minute or on the, excuse me, on the daily, but on the 4 hour, we definitely do have some market maker model um, action going on. So we are in optical chart entry for short. Could very well start here on the week. Let's look at the weekly chart here. Start here, wake up into this daily, change to delivery, maybe get a reversal after Tuesday or Wednesday, and come back down. Or we could just, continue moving up, try to test for these new highs up here or these relative equal highs up here. So we'll see. We'll just play it by ear. Our market opens in about 6 minutes. This is a handy dandy 4 hour. Starting off here with our, this is on the hourly, so we'll just ignore that for now. But this here, this is a pretty strong manipulation leg here on the 4 hour. Mm, we'll just change this color to orange. And looking at where we line up here, 1 standard deviation almost is where we went to for our first retracement, come back down. Now we're back into this area. Um, and 4 standard deviation is way, way, way up here and uncharted territories. But again, on the daily, I do believe this is like stage one accumulation. So we'll probably be range bound within this range up here for some time. Any 4 hour BISIs, SIBIs, we do have this here, but I'm less concerned about that, more concerned about this daily fair value gap that we have here. We can get rid of this, we remove that. Um, so overall, we still look pretty bullish. Here we have almost like a low resistance liquidity run right down here. And from last week, we had this fair value gap here. I know it's very kind of hard to see, but nonetheless, we do have this fair value gap here. After accumulating, taking out sell side here, running up. Officially, do we get a market structure shift? We can think of it as such, breaking structure when we cross above here. That is something that I need to look into a little bit more. Though I do believe the breaking structure could have existed down here. So, Adeline, if you're listening to this, let me know what your ideas are about this. But yeah, we do displace above this with a decent engulfing candle or expansion leg, and now we're just accumulating within that daily fair value gap. I don't see any manipulation. I mean, we do have this kind of accumulating right here. We do have this high to this low here, but um, again, 4 hour, it's a bit too high time frame to look for accumulation within such a short period of time. So let's go down to our hourly time frame. This for our SIBI, we can get rid of this. And now we can look back over here, had our manipulation leg back Friday, the most recent lowest low. And forced standard deviation is up here where we can expect, and this lines up nicely with this SIBI up here. So this is our terminus. This is where the market maker sell model took place. And you see we have a little curvature coming on up. So we got some ways to go before we get up there. One thing I don't see on this is his daily change of state of delivery. So we'll seek that globally. Here it is right here. So this is within the terminus of this hourly um, manipulation leg. Stage one, stage two. Okay. Moving over here to most recent time. I thought we were going to be shorting up here because we have this terminus over here, right? So started from here, run up. This is a weak sell model, maybe on a 15. This would probably be a better sell model to come up by model. But in the grand scheme of things, it's kind of like a 4 hour market maker buy model as we saw in the previous chart. So let's zoom over a little bit more over here. Um, this is our most recent manipulation length. This is on the 15. Again, lines up perfectly with what we have up here. So I'm going to delete this. I do believe that the idea of this sell model and buy model is complete. So I do expect accumulation today and tomorrow, given that we don't have any strong high impact news drivers to send price to infinity and beyond. What is this? Oh, daily, hourly. So we get rid of that. But despite completing this, we do need to look to the left and see we have a fair value gap on the hourly within the daily um, fair value gap, daily SIBI. This is up here in the premium. So we'll see. We'll see what takes place. And we got some more gaps up here in the hourly change of state delivery, which lines up with the daily change of state delivery. So this might be a target that we can reach for. So overall, I'm cautiously bullish on the day. Um, and I say that because I'm not expecting any huge runs today, but if a run presents itself, then we'll take it. All right, so I have my A routine is look for fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, look for draws on liquidity, look for SMTs, where's the most recent draw on liquidity, and premium discount is a discount. Where's the next draw on liquidity and premium? Are we in premium discount right now? We're in premium in the grand scheme of things. Um, in our market maker models, we have all that information. So this is where we are right now on the 15 within that daily busy. So we have our city, we have stage one here, accumulation, stage one, run up, more accumulation. So this looks like accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but that's not what we have. We have this fair value gap here that's supporting price. So still looking pretty bullish and moving our way up. But we'll see. So I'm trading the macros. And those drawings, they're not going to be on our chart. So we'll just move back and forth between our macro. Oh, the market just opened. Wonderful. There we are. Oh, that's there. So I'm not going to be a clown and try to trade the opening session. This copy, we could put that over there. It's irrelevant. lot going on here. We'll just delete some of this. Mm. Let's look at, let's look at accountability, tenants. Focus on one setup, set of setups. So actually, all right, so accountability partner. Have a pre-market plan. We got that high time frame analysis. Identify three setups. This could be ongoing task or rather activity. Have an entry plan, time and price. Got my A1 checklist over there. Time, quarterly shift, price. Got that document on the chart, the steps. Look to the left. Turn into before it forms. Okay. Identify consolidated. All right. So that is the instructions for today. Um, no, this isn't it. This needs to be. Let me get rid of this one. That there is. Here we go. All right. So logged in there. One contract. We can put on 1 minute here. 5 here. 15 is there. And again, we have accumulation. Looks like classic manipulation into this premium of this daily. So let's see if we can come down here to these relative equal lows. I see this is sell side liquidity. All right, so this is a 5. So again, stage 1, run up. You see this is stage 2, run up, accumulation, manipulation. And now we're distributing. But again, we have some more accumulation here, manipulation, come down. So I'm just curious to see what this looks like on a 1. Accumulation. So traditionally what I do, um, when I identify a range, something like this here, I'll take that and see this as our accumulation. And here's would be our, one could say this is our manipulation, it's our distribution, but I feel like all this here is our accumulation, manipulation, because we take out sell side here, or we took out buy side here. So which one is it going to be? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution? We'll see. And we do have this fair value gap here. Let's see if this holds. So higher time frame, we are within a range. So we look like going to a discount within that range, within the market maker buy model on the 15. Came down to the weekly open, 15-minute bullish order block, fair value gap here. Bodies are respecting it, so still respecting it. And I believe these lows down here. No, that's what we're looking at here. Is this not sticking globally? Wait, what? Uh, okay, so this might have been a Judas swing, accumulation, manipulation, and we're moving up higher. Down here was an area of interest for me. So let's delve deeper and notice that we can now have trade entry within that 15-minute range. Let's take a look to see what surprises we may find down here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So I did not catch the setup, um, but if we were to catch it, where would we have gone in at? This is a 15. Um, so start off with our knowns. We have a swing high here. So this is technically a range here. Accumulation And then we have our breaking this sell side liquidity here, manipulation, distribution. So for bullish AMD setups, the the manipulation like needs to start in a premium, and like we have here. So we take out this high here, the initial range, and then we have some strong displacement candles coming to the downside, right? Taking out sell side here within a higher time frame discount, and then we move on up. So when in discount, look for bullish setups like we have here, and then we can always do our, we could take this, change state delivery here, project it up for standard deviation. This is perfect. Does that mean short? Not necessarily. Let's get out of here. But yeah, we're pretty strong here. So I took a position in my Top Step account, and this is what it looks like. So I got in here. I think we're gonna be pretty on our route. So just a little short play, a very extremely tight stop loss, not the highest probability play. One, two, three, four, five candle run up, so we can expect a reversal at some point. But I do believe we will come for these highs up here, this daily fair value gap. Let's look at Dixie coming off out the short entry. Hmm. Yeah, that's four here. Uh, let's see how high we're gonna go. Ooh, four perfectly here. Given that we are at a excuse me, higher time frame objective, let's look down at the one, five candle run up. Um, looking at this 1 minute change of state delivery here, 22.5. So this looks like reversal territory. Um, here we go. This is premium. Won't be able to find that one. So see if this could be inversed here. We may just have like retracement. We do have a let's look on the 15, looking for like an AMD setup. So we did not inverse this here on the one, so this is probably going to be stage one um, of the market maker buy model. But let's see. Let's see what we have here. 1.5 first area for retracement. So going to five, no 5 minute change state delivery. Um, boom, this all lines up perfectly. So I didn't. That's one of the things I got to be better about is looking for. Just because we have a run up doesn't mean we have to chase it. We can always look for a retracement, and this 2.54 standard deviation that lines up perfectly. So if we are gonna be at a reversal point, then optical trade entry should pan out here on the 15. So we do have this fair value gap here. This is accumulation. For us to have a bearish AMD setup, all right, this is it. Keep my stop loss here at this high, and I want to see what's going for these lows down here. Although on the higher time frame of things, could see New York open. This is 64. So forgot to look to the left. This here is a run up stage one, run up. Supposed to put this up here. I want to see if we can come for these lows down here. Excuse me. So this is 30-point move. So that's one of my objectives. 3-to-1 ratio. Let's see if this bullet bear short of black here can hold. Looks like it won't be able to. We are going into Q3. What else do you see, Tracy? This fair value gap here. Q3 coming up soon. No 5-minute change states to delivery. But we do come to this 5-minute bullish short of black down here. So we might have been a bit early for this short play. Accumulation, manipulation. So we are stuck within this accumulation range right here. We are in premium. So if we were to continue coming down, this is where we expect it. I want to move this up just a little bit higher to the higher this fair value gap here. All right, so I'm out. So this was his first business of retracement. Again, we didn't hit a higher time frame draw on liquidity, so probably a bit too early on that one. But we could see this as retracement given that we came to equilibrium. And this is a new 5. Yeah, it is. So all that was is retracement to this 5-minute bullish short of black right here. Which, we also have this one here, this down closing candle. So didn't look to left completely, but that's one of the things that we have to look to. That's all we had. It was just a run up. Now we're coming short here. Let's see. What is this trying to communicate to us? Subsequent trade shows this fair value gap. Look here. Maybe I have my stop loss a bit too tight. This fair value gap here on the one is, well, that's on the 15 that we're looking at. Yeah, it's on the 15. Run up. Stage one, stage two, one, two, three, run up. I want to go back in for a short play. Question is, low resistance liquidity run right here. So for us to go in a short play, what would we need to see? That which is very high probability would be like accumulation, manipulation. So we start in discount, run up, get our manipulation. Start in premium, run down, then get run up. Anyways, you get it right. Start in discount, run up, get your manipulation, and come down. But right now we're stuck within this range right here. Get rid of this as well. In this 1 minute, where did we go with this one? 1.5 is where we went to. So this fair value up here on the 15 is relevant now. We had this nice low resistance liquidity run. Still moving up. So this was just a retracement leg. We do have this range right here on the 1 minute that we just broke out of. And then we have another one here. Yeah, it still looks bullish. I'll buy in top step. Just took out sell side here. To 2.5. Five's looking good. Potential 5 minute fair value gap forming. I like this fair value gap here on the one holding. So this is a 1 minute change to delivery. Uh, Not change it, but bull shorter block. Where is it at? Right there. Lining up with this one here. So you can see it says like propulsion block here coming down in this one. So we see what's good. I'm pushing this over to the 5. Save my eyes. So this is 1 minute propulsion block, 1 minute change of state of delivery or bull short block. Coming out this fair value gap. Appears like it wants to hold. Almost in the immediate rebalance. Actually, we actually got the immediate rebalance right here on the 5. All right, so anticipatory skills again. I do see this as like area for us to reverse. Um, get rid of this here. No 5 minute change to their delivery, so we're probably just gonna move sideways until we can get to around Q4 or 10 o'clock for a reversal. Um, and this is how we are looking on the 9 a.m. candle here, coming up to this daily fair value gap, very close to it. So we shall see accumulation, manipulation maybe. High, low, higher high for a breaker. All right, so what can we do here? We can measure this, excuse me, this range here. OT is down here. Again, this matches up really nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 15. 4 minutes left for this to be a 5 candle run or a series of 5 candle runs. We are in a premium, so given that we are in premium, we should be looking for a short position. This fair value gap here looks like it wants to be inversed. Sell side is here. another sell side there. I'm not gonna mark that one. And then we have our ultimate sell side down here. So yeah, we got a lot of liquidity below us, so that's good. So we want, if you were to get in for a short position, let's say if we were to close here, 10 points is here, almost 10, and we could take this. I want to target these lows on there. It's a 50-point move, and I like what we see, so I'll go in for a almost, let me change it. I'll go in for a short. Although this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle run. Eesh, might have been too early or too late on this one. Yeah, it looks like the trade entries right here. So let's see. Well, we came real close hitting this. I like how we got in for the short at the very low. Still look like model 14 right here, and then we're out. Oh man. All right, I'm done for the day.